This was a very fun program for students between kindergarten to even high school, where you get to learn things about STEM, science, technology, and engineering, and mathematics. Just something fun so students can stay engaged outside of school, and something that the parents can also learn some things about college life and life after that.
They're learning about coding. We have Google here, which is really cool. Different workshops. So it's pretty amazing. It's a lot going on here. Today was a phenomenal day. We had for the kids a dual STEAM workshop where they coded for half of the time and they were using the Made with Code platform from Google. And then the second half of their time, they were doing STEAM activities where they were making things, they were learning about science, and so it was just an all-encompassing day.
We got split into two groups. My group went downstairs first. My first station was dry ice, so we got to experiment with the dry ice.
I was very intentional to have young people actually leading workshops so that they were actually learning from young people that were close in their age. So it was very powerful in that sense, so they can actually see themselves doing perhaps those things in the future, being a teacher, being an innovator.
Us being able to teach them about certain things, it was able to help them build on that knowledge that they already had that was basically considered basic knowledge that they know about everyday life.
From this event, I hope the kids take away that they can do it. Like a lot of stuff that they see, that they're capable of doing it themselves. Our mission at STEM Compass is to navigate, motivate, and educate kids towards STEM. And today was the perfect example of that. We invite you to our next STEM Compass event. Be on the lookout. There's one coming near you.